Okay, welcome to part 3. In this part we're going to put the logic for card in its own component, so to say. So let's go here. Instead of just spitting out a div here, we would have a component. So let's go here. First define the component, card.js. Grab this part, const and return that div that we had. For now, let's say we have the card and I, so it doesn't feel unhappy. Then export default and card. This we will have a card auto imported. This card will have a key for React. It will have a card object, which is this card object, which is this object that we have here, and then it will have an index as well, which is the I value, the index of the card as we define here. So this should be index, and here this should be index as well. So we're spitting out this and it should work the same. If I refresh, yes. So okay, so in the card we need to do the click. The click should happen on the back only and not on the front, right? So we need to go to the here and define the onClick. Let's give it a function which will be defined here. And let's for now say that like the index. If we go back here, refresh and open the console, I need to see 2. Yes, now I need to see 4, 0 and 3. So this is working fine. But instead of just console logging, we need to say to the app that this card has been clicked, so that we could reveal it and see if it matches another card or not. That functionality should be done here because this is the app that knows about all the cards. So here we need to pass a function . So let's go up here and define the function. Now let's say that this is an index and just logs the index to see that we are sending the correct data. Okay, we have it here, we have it here. We need to deconstruct it here as well, and on the handle click we should call the update with the index. So if I go back, I need to see the same result: 1, 0, 2 and 15, 14 and so forth and so on. Okay, now we have the card with its own logic and its own handle click function, and we have the app with its own logic and its own functionality in place. Cool. In the next video we will talk about how we can write this update revealed cards function and advance in our project. See you in the episode number 4.